I have a vegetarian friend at work who talks all the time about this Afghan pumpkin stew. With the holidays rolling around, I thought it would be a perfect time to give the recipe a try. Now hear me out. Even if you don't like pumpkin, you can do this with butternut squash, and it's really quick and easy. I used a 10-ounce steamer bag from Walmart. If you can't find this, then just any old butternut squash cubes will do. You can even make your own. Just cook them according to the package instructions or until fork tender in the microwave or steamer. I'm putting the link to the recipe in the description box, but this is how you make it. Sauté the onions and garlic in a pan until they're translucent. Add the pumpkin and the spices. I ended up using half of the oil, cumin, and sugar that was called for. After that, add in your tomato paste and vegetable stock or water. Gently simmer everything for about 10 or 15 minutes, and that's it. It's the simplest dish ever. On the day I brought it into the office, we also got it takeout from the restaurant so I could try them side by side. I have to tell you, I liked mine a little better. Mine was on the savory side with more garlic and onions, I think, and theirs was on the sweeter side, but still very, very good. You can serve it over rice or with flatbread, and you just sop it all up. It's so tasty and hearty. The best part is, prepared like this the way I did it, it only has 76 calories per serving. If you're trying to lose weight like I am, then this is the perfect option for a meatless Monday or a very light lunch or dinner. In addition to the carbs you eat it with, you'll probably want to add more protein as well, maybe some meat or some sort of vegetable protein on the side. I'm already thinking of ways that I can improve my version of this. I think I'm going to try roasting the butternut squash and building the tomato sauce first. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Have you ever tried this pumpkin stew before? I'd love to hear from you.